Welcome to the virtual presentation of the instruction manual for the CL4 model offered by Nivel system. Before the first use and after unpacking the equipment, it is necessary to charge the battery. It can be done with the use of the USB charger delivered with the device. Connect the charger to the battery here at the top. After removing this cap, we can connect the charger. It is charged via USB, and therefore we can also use a car charger or charge the device from a computer. It should be mentioned that this battery can be removed. For this purpose, press the battery release button in the upper part of the battery and vigorously pull the battery out of its guides. In order to reinstall the battery, slide it between the guides and vigorously pull it in. At the back of the battery, we can check the battery remaining value. After the laser is turned on, it shows the remaining capacity of the battery. We recommend that the battery be regularly charged, as it is a lithium-ion battery and it does not have the memory effect. Therefore, it can be charged at any time so that the battery in our equipment never runs down. The battery has the capacity of 4000 mAh. It is a unified system and it can be used with all new generation Nivel system CL lasers. The operation of the laser is quite simple. On the side, we have a power switch which turns the device on and off. At the top of the housing, there is a control panel with two buttons. The first of them, laser, is used to switch individual laser planes on and off. And the second one turns on the pulse mode, which gives the possibility of working with laser sensors. It is used while working over long distances or outdoors where the beam is not visible. Well, let's turn on our equipment. After turning on, the laser performs auto-leveling and stabilizes the beam, which is possible thanks to the integrated magnetic compensator. Depending on the needs, individual laser planes are switched on with the use of the laser button. When we want to work with the laser sensor, it is necessary to turn on the pulse mode and find the laser beam with the use of the sensor. The Nivel system laser crossliners can have the plane tilted, which is very useful while working with sloping planes. This function is turned on with the use of the laser button. How is it done? Press and hold the laser button for about 5 seconds. The horizontal plane will be generated as first. When successively pressing the laser button, we can switch the successive planes on and off. In this manner, we generate the tilted plane. The laser flashes every few seconds and thus informs the user that it works without the magnetic compensator. After all planes are switched on, pressing the laser button again turns off the equipment. Laser levels are also equipped with a radio module, Bluetooth module, which makes it possible to control its functions from mobile devices, such as your mobile phone or tablet. The Nivel CL app, which is free of charge, can be downloaded from Google Play and the App Store. After downloading and installing it, turn on the laser and the app auto-localizes the device and connects with it. The mobile app enables us to switch individual planes on and off. We can also switch off all planes and switch them on again. And we can also turn on the pulse mode. We can also adjust the intensity, in other words, the volume of the laser beam. When we work in a less sunlit room, reducing the intensity is recommended, as it prolongs the operation time of the battery. We can also enter the support module and contact, for example, the manufacturer to ask questions. It is a very simple application and it will surely facilitate your operations in the field. At this point, I would like to discuss the delivered accessories. What else is there in the case? As a standard, the laser is equipped with many accessories, with floor targets among them. In order to use them, it is necessary to switch on the bottom horizontal plane. When we want to level the floors, even over longer distances, using these targets is recommended, as the laser will accurately show the position on these targets, which will make it easy to accurately level any floor. In addition, we can also use the construction target. When we work with a suspended ceiling, with elements that have to be aligned with the use of the target, we can display the laser beam on this target and align the construction element with the beam. In addition, a laser lift is delivered. It is a very simple solution, yet very practical. When we place the laser level on this lift, we can adjust the height of the bottom horizontal beam. In other words, move it up or down. We can also use a multifunctional laser adapter. After mounting the laser on this adapter, which is intuitively done by screwing the laser and the adapter together, we can adjust the height of laser beams and install the device on a construction site. The adapter can be fixed to a profile. It can also be hung on a hook or attached with a magnet to a steel structure. The assembly and disassembly of this element is quite easy. It is done with the use of a magnet. The set also includes laser goggles, which may improve the visibility of the laser beam in some conditions. They are not protective goggles because our lasers are classified as Class 2 lasers, which means they are safe for your eyes. As an option, you can buy two types of sensors, the CL4 manual one or the RD800 digital one. They are used to show the difference in heights as numbers, in millimeters. It is worth emphasizing that the pulse mode operates with a frequency of 10 kHz. The laser crossliners are verified and calibrated, if need be, before their sale. However, we always recommend that the equipment be submitted to the service center at least once a year, where it can be verified and calibrated if necessary. It is worth using this kind of support as it ensures smooth operation of the device for many years.